Lesson 4, Holidays. If you holiday on the West Coast, you may well find that you are in an Irish-speaking area or a Gaeilge. Don't be afraid to try your Irish. First, let's look at activities centred around the beach. Listen and repeat. Sean wants to go fishing. Tastíonn ó Sheán dul ag iascaireacht. We wish to hire a boat. Bua linn bád a áil chias. Is this beach safe for swimming? An bhfuil sé sábháilte dul a snámh an trá seo. Are jet skis permitted on this beach? An bhfuil jet skis cadaithe an trá seo. This is a blue flag beach. Tá brat gurm ag an trá seo. There are 2 lifeguards on duty. Tá bert gharda slándála dúilgas. The tide is coming in. Tá an tíde ag líana. The tide is out. Tá an tíde tráite. The kids love the sandy beach. Is breá leis na páistí trá deas Gaeilge. Putting some of these together, we get the kids love the blue flag sandy beach. Is breá leis na páistí an trá Gaeilge leis an mrat gurm. There are no jet skis permitted, so instead we hired a boat. Níl jet skis cadaithe an trá. Thógmuid bád chias inionad. This beach is safe for swimming. There is a lifeguard on duty. Tá sé sábháilte snámh an trá seo. Tá bert gharda slándála dúilgas. Now, try saying there are no boats permitted on the blue flag beach. Níl cad éon bhád a bheith an trá leis an mrat gurm. Now try saying this sandy beach is safe for the kids to go swimming. Tá an trá Gaeilge seo sábháilte do na páistí le dul a snámh. Now we will consider other types of outdoor activities. Listen and repeat. We love hiking up the mountains. Is breá linn dul ag siúl sna sléifte. Is there a golf course nearby? An bhfuil golf chomharsa in aice láimhe. Let's go horse riding. Téanam ag marcaíocht. Is it safe to cycle on these roads? An bhfuil sé sábháilte dul ag rochaíocht na bóithre seo. We want to play tennis this morning. Tastíonn muin leadóga imirt maidin. We will watch the match tomorrow afternoon. Fécha míd an gluthe trá nóna a máireach. Is there a market day in the town? An bhfuil éon lá warigig an maile. What are the sites worth visiting? Cad iad na háiteanna chóir dúin cuairt a thuairt orthu. Is there a charge into the gardens? An bhfuil táille le hiac le ghólisteach sna Gordini. Now try these longer phrases. We want to play tennis this morning and cycle into town this afternoon. Tastíonn bhain leadóg a imirt maidin agus dul isteach sa bhaile na rothair trá nóna. Is it safe to go horse riding up the mountains? An bhfuil sé sá bháilte dul ag marcaíocht sna sléite. Now try this yourself. Is there a golf course near the gardens? An bhfuil golf chúrsa inaice leis na Gordini? Good. And try this. Is tomorrow market day in the town? An bhfuil marga siúl an maile amárach. Now, some indoor activities. Listen and repeat. Is there a swimming pool in the town? An bhfuil lín snámha sa bhaile? What are the opening hours of the leisure centre? Céird iad uaireanta oscailte an ionad ski? Do you have to be a member of the gym? An gatha tú bheith I do bháil den gym? Where can we hear some live music on Saturday? Cén áit gur féidir lín roinnt ceoil a chluisint an sathern seo? Is there a cover charge? An bhfuil táille le hiac? We are going to the cinema tomorrow. Tá míad dul go dtí an fictúrlan amárach. Is the nightclub open on Wednesdays? An bhfuil an clubíthe oscailt dé céadaoin? Is there a late night taxi service? An bhfuil seirbhís taxi deireanach san oíche? Now, try these combined phrases. Is there a cover charge for the nightclub? An bhfuil táille den chlubíthe? The leisure centre has a swimming pool and a gym. Tá lín snámha agus gym ag an ionad ski. Good. And try this. Is there a late night taxi service on Wednesdays? An bhfuil seirbhís taxi deireanach an gcéadaoin? And finally, try this. There is live music at the nightclub on Saturday. Tá ceol beo sa chlubíthe an sathern. Now we will conclude this section by recapping on the vocabulary learned over the last 2 lessons. Listen and repeat. Hot, te. Sunny, grianmhar. The sky, unspair. Blue, gurum. Degrees, came. Today, anew. Cold, fuair. Cloudy, scamalach. Grey, lia. Strong breeze, Gaeilge. It is drizzling. Tá salachar báistí ann. Hailstones, clocha, sneachta. Snow, sneachta. Ice, shook. Forecast, tour. Spring, arach. Summer, saura. autumn, fómhar, winter, Gaeilge, fishing, ag iascaireacht, hire a boat, bád a thógáil thíos, beach, trá, safe, sábháilte, swimming, ag snámh, blue flag, brat gorum, lifeguards, Garda slándála, on duty, dúilgas, the tide, an taide, sandy, gainneamhach, hiking, ag siúl, mountains, sléite, golf course, golfchomharsa, horse riding, ag marcaíocht, roads, bóise, play tennis, playing tennis, ag imirt leadóige, this morning, maidin, the match, on cluiche, tomorrow, amárach, the town, on baile, visiting, ag tuairt cuairt the gardens, na gáirdaoine, na gairríocha, swimming pool, ling snámha, opening hours, uaireanta oscailte, the leisure centre, an tionad ski, a member, bowl, the gym, ungym, live music, ceol bow, Saturday, day saharn, cover charge, táille, cinema, picturelan, nightclub, club ihe, Wednesday, day céadaoin, late night taxi service, Sherivish taxi Dernach san oíche. It's pouring rain. Tá sé ag stella báistí. Cycling, ag rothaíocht.